In this episode, you will see taking care of our little gooselings, David cleaning and fixing the chimney, and cleaning up the beams. Let's go.
Ready? Wakey wakey, wakey wakey, wakey wakey, wakey wakey, wakey wakey, wakey wakey, wakey wakey. Can't give them bready, because they don't like bready. Good morning everyone, welcome back to our vlog. It's a beautiful day here, way too hot, like 30-ish degrees.
31
degrees, okay? Super humid, super unlivable outside. So we're in here, it's a bit less, like 28, 27.
29.
A bit of wind flowing through.
There's no wind. Where do you see the wind?
A bit, I said, like tiny bit, like you don't feel it even. So what I'm doing, I was going around the room, I took all the bricks out, I cleaned out everything, see, just looking what needs to be done, where it needs to be done, because there's so much bricklaying. I think it's way more than the other room, way more. That there giant hole, all the
the
side,
side.
it's just so much. This chimney needs a lot of work. All of these are coming off. I have my apple still. But yeah, now I will clean up the beams with sandpaper. I'll clean them all down. I'll put anti-fungi liquid, and then I'll put primer. This should harden up the wood, and it will pretty much make it stay as it is and not break apart anymore and able to survive. I hope they're strong enough. I don't want to replace them. I don't think we need to because
They're okay. They're better than our
they look
room.
okay. Huh?
They're way better than our room.
It's the same beam from our room, so
No, but ours is super rotten.
yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much what I will do, and then we can start cementing, and hopefully today we finish both of those jobs, but we'll see.
And while David is doing this loud things, I'm gonna take our babies out for a bath.
Yeah, the babies need to go take a bath, and their diapers need to be changed. Their water needs to be refilled, and the food needs to be refilled, so it's a lot of work today. So she'll do that, I'll do the beams. You clean out the poop and everything. I don't
My
know,
work
cleaning
is
diapers.
like harder, right?
Yeah.
Back to the apple, David.
So we had the washing machine running. So we heard the pump and it was okay. But the washing machine is sucking the pump.
Yeah, but then it was on 9 minutes, and it was still running.
Yeah, it was doing its
And now
spinning
it's done.
and sucking out the water.
Sucking
turns
out,
out
not sucking
The
in.
button was stuck. The button was stuck of this, and it leaked out nearly all of our water.
Twice. Once I
today.
went to toilet, and then you went to toilet. And it was leaking
So
twice.
now it leaked down like 40 centimeters, that much water of 1 meter diameter pipe. So imagine how many liters is that. Bye bye. Let's hope it comes back out from the earth and refills. If not, we just lost like maybe 600, 500 liters of water.
For no reason. It's so annoying.
Apples.
No! Oh my god. That's how much? Oh, I can see the filter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're near the park. No more use of water. Turn off the pump. Only if we need to.
They're sleeping. Are you ready to go? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Look how exciting they get. They're getting so excited. Woo!
They knock their heady. Or their horns.
Oh my god, they pooped a lot. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's like a roller coaster for you.
This is this easy.
Go. You ready? You ready? Can you get out on your own? You big one? Oh, you're so big. Nom, 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 nom. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. You scared? What did you do? I didn't get it.
The other time, yesterday the other one dived in.
Fully
Nice and
wet.
warm this time.
Fully wet.
Exactly.
Itchy! Oh, no. Oh my god! You have a big leaf on you. Look like a
They
turtle.
want to swim more. They need to be bigger. How can we make them a big pool? Oh, we could make them a pool.
How do you look?
Maybe after I finish the bedroom, I'll do that.
You
I
look
really want to.
crazy.
We could also put them Woody to come out. Look, she was trying to.
Yeah, no. There comes more water for you.
I'm scared. So now, I've vacuum cleaned all around and I'm gonna clean up the big beams. I've cleaned up already 2 sides, that's how to look after, nice and clean. Here, this side is clean, so now I'll do the bottom.
You cannot really see it because of all the reflections.
The bottom
All the lights.
is the worst because all the dust falls straight down.
Down, yeah.
So let's see how easy it is to do.
Let's go inside. So, let's get those farts and poop machines out. So I can clean it. Look, it's all brown.
Look how much they caca. They poop a lot.
Yeah.
And their water's really dirty. But they're eating while you're taking them, Baba. They do not give a
I
shit.
don't know what to...
Look how dirty my feet are. That's what happens when you work in summer and you sweat. Zijn de pedja? Mijn krop pedja.
Grandpa's coming.
See?
That's how full it is?
It's going up all the way, Baba. It's not even coming out, it has too much pressure.
Oh my god.
It's taking me an hour to suck it out. So, my next job is to clean the chimney. From up here to clean it all up. And then collect all the dust. It's all full already.
Yeah.
But it's better to clean it now before I empty this so it can fall all onto it and not come all dust out. It will still come through here. But let's hope it doesn't get too dusty.
Take maybe your hat off to make it dirty.
Jesus Christ. Power. Oh, it cleans good. Just by going in, it cleans the thing.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
The thing is that our stork is sitting all the way up there on the chimney, and they have dropped a lot of things down there.
I'm pretty sure, yeah, this works, but why am I getting dust in my eyes? Oh, from this here, look. You
Yeah.
know why this whole thing is broken?
From there.
My eyes are full of dust. So there, smoke was literally just going into the clay non-stop. The clay was covering it, but it was going into that. That's why all of it was wrecked here.
Yeah, true.
That's why the other side was wrecked as well. So I'm pretty sure that no one had cleaned this chimney in a while, because it's quite a bit coming out. It was stuck so much that I need to just slap it all down for it to fall down. It was just stuck like until like this brick or something. It was stuck up. So yeah, and the same thing with there. I need to probably gonna get really dirty today. So I'm pretty sure this is the last rubble from this room, this bedroom period. Ended.
Yeah, because now you want to lack
Now I'm
the
gonna
beams.
Start processing ore. I have
Oh,
grass seeds.
that's so satisfying.
What's satisfying?
That we're done with this dirty thing.
Yeah, my nose is so hurting that I can't.
We are done, and we did it. You finished it, all the dirty jobs with butter.
Yeah,
Are you happy about it?
very.
And look at the weather. It's scary.
So I'm gonna plant now grass seeds here
Show me. Back.
to grow in all of this to make it all with grass.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's even, I just want it to
Not be like this.
I want it to be processed by the earth. Best way is to have something growing in it and making roots. So yeah,
And because it's gonna rain, it's pretty good now.
it's pretty good to spread them now because it's gonna rain, so they can rain in. I'm pretty sure they just spray on. They're not like you need to stick them in or something.
Unless the birds eat them.
I finished all the rubble. Floor's clean.
Did you enjoy your last rubble?
Yeah, yeah.
There's not gonna be anything, I
My
think.
nose really.
Oh, that's gonna be vacuum clean because I need to clean
What?
the mortar. But I think that's gonna be vacuum cleaner.
Yeah. It's,
One more dusty job.
Now I need to close up all the 4 holes.
But can we talk about how beautiful this one looks?
Yeah, look at my
It's like, oh!
sex pose.
There's also like an open mouth.
Will you?
So there's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole, and there's a hole.
All need to be closed with clay so they can be easily opened. So, not with mortar, because mortar I would not be able to open them. Because they need opening every 2 years or something, you need to clean them out. If you want this to... That's why this one never heated up. Because there was nothing flowing. This was all up like till here with stuff all the way on both sides. And the bottom level as well, every level. I don't think I'm gonna... Actually... I'm not sure if that's even a level, but it could be. It probably is a level there as well. But yeah, probably not gonna clean that now. Oh yeah, here's the opening. Here it is. That's what I was looking for. So one I didn't clean.
No, it's okay.
Hopefully it's okay.
I asked David if he can film me taking out the baby gooses. And his answer was, my hands are black. You cannot really see it.
Yeah?
Because it's super orange lighting.
Show it in the blue light. Here.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, I guess I'm gonna film myself. So, because those little farts in here. Now you shush? Now you don't talk anymore? As soon as I come? You stop? So, because these ones are way too loud and stressing out, they're gonna come out. Oh, gee, why did you jump in there now? Okay.
So I'm now lacking the beams. I guess I want to do that. but I
Yes, you
forgot,
didn't do it.
Because I was looking for this forever and then I just like do it anyway.
I cannot film it here. But yeah.
So yeah.
And I cannot change angle because I have those in here. And I don't want to go there in the lock just in case you start licking it.
So all the beams are lacked. 2 layers. All 3 the middle ones and the last end one. All lacked nicely and the rest of the lack I put it around the floor. Which kills most of the bugs. They actually started running out. But yeah, that's pretty much it today with this video. I don't think I'll do anything else. I need to go wash
Shower.
myself. I'm covered in dust. I hope it comes off easily.
Yeah, I think so.
I'll have to scrub myself a lot because this stuff is pretty nasty.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Subscribe and like and comment to let us know what it is. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.